My best mate Gully was there, of course. He's kind of goofy, not great at soccer, but he always tries to keep up, especially when there's snacks involved. Gully freaked out. His feathers puffed up like a fluffy dandelion, and he started doing his crazy happy dance. Gully landed next to me. He didn't flap, he didn't squawk, he just stayed, like he knew I needed him. Gully started squawking like crazy, flapping and bobbing like a total maniac. I looked over, and there it was, half buried in the wet sand, glowing just like before. It was Ethan. He came back. A wave had brought him home. He looked perfect. The magic was still there.